Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Mini Cooper S F56. Basically we just need to change the wiper blades on the front of the vehicle, as I don't think they've been changed since 2018. So a nice quick sort of how-to vid for you guys out there who want to change yours yourself. So let's get straight on. So nice and simple, guys. We just need to raise the wiper blade up into that position. And then all we need to do is hook something underneath here, this little flap, and just pry it upwards, like so. And then all you need to do is just push the wiper blade towards the windscreen and then drops off like so. Make sure obviously this doesn't swing back and smash your windscreen. So yeah, so just take care of that, and then we'll swap it straight over. So guys, I'm using cheap wiper blades here, but if you were to use OEM, they would go back on the same way they came off. But I'll just show you on these. All you need to do is line them up like so to clip in, like so, and it snaps into place. And then all you need to do is just line the wiper arm up with the adapter, and then just snap it into place like so. Drop that into position, and that's one done. Right, so on to the next one. Just flick this up again. Press this out and down, like so. Do the same again with this little adapter clip. It's just a case of popping this through, getting it into position, and then into place it goes. Sorted. So there you go, guys, that's how you replace front wiper blades on an F56 Mini chassis. Hope you liked the video, guys. Guess what? Good news, the E60 high spec 530 diesel is back. So we'll be seeing that very shortly, and I'll give you an update on the car itself. But of course, we'll leave it there. If you like what you see today, give us a like, thumbs up, comment down below, and a subscribe. And if you want to see any of my older videos, just over here. And in the meanwhile, take it easy and let's hit the music.